This is Mike with Plum Signs. I'm going to demonstrate a newly made sneeze guard to be used whenever you might have someone coming up to purchase something that you do not want to have their direct contact with their breath. There's three simple pieces. I will demonstrate the breakdown and put together for you. You have your initial piece, which is roughly 32 inches tall, 24 inches wide. It's just one flat piece. You have another piece, which is your leg. As you can see, it has a notch. And this also has a notch. And you have your third piece, three simple pieces. As you can see, this has a notch to match this notch. You very easily take the piece, slide it into the notch to make it sit. Take the other piece and slide it in as well. Then you have three pieces. You can simply stand it up. And as you can see, it stands by itself. Durable. I'm wiggling it. Staying there. Give it a little wiggle. And there you have it. Thank you. That is Plum Signs' demonstration of a sneeze guard, easily produced and quickly sent.